What if I told you that becoming financially successful isn't always about making more money? Sometimes, it's simply about making better money moves. The truth is, wealthy people don't necessarily earn more money than everyone else when they first start out. They simply make smarter decisions with the money they already have. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 powerful money moves that can completely change the direction of your financial future. If you start applying these strategies today, you'll be putting yourself in a much better position to build long-term wealth. Let's get started. The first money move is to pay yourself first. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make is paying everyone else before paying themselves. They pay their rent or mortgage. They pay the electric bill. They pay for streaming services, car payments, credit cards, and they spend money eating out or shopping. Then, if there's anything left over, they try to save it. The problem is, for most people, there's never anything left. Instead of saving what's left over, flip the process. As soon as you receive your paycheck, immediately move a percentage into a savings account or investment account before you spend money on anything else. Even if it's only 10%, or even 5%, the amount isn't nearly as important as creating the habit. Think of your savings like another monthly bill, except this bill is paying your future self. By making saving automatic, you're building financial discipline while creating a safety net for emergencies and future opportunities. Over time, those savings can begin earning interest or investment returns through the power of compound growth. The earlier you begin, the easier it becomes to build wealth over the long run. The second money move is to make your money earn more money. Most people only think about working for money. Successful people think about getting their money to work for them. Your paycheck can only work as many hours as you do, but your money can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's why wealthy people focus on buying assets instead of liabilities. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket. Examples include dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, high-yield savings accounts, small businesses, digital products, e-books, online courses, vending machines, and even YouTube channels that continue earning money long after the videos are uploaded. Every dollar invested into an asset has the potential to create additional income over time. Instead of constantly buying things that lose value the moment you purchase them, start buying things that can eventually pay you back. Before making any purchase, ask yourself one simple question. Will this purchase make me richer or poorer 5 years from now? That one question can completely change your spending habits and your financial future. The third money move is to invest in yourself. The highest return on investment you'll ever receive is investing in your own knowledge and skills. No one can take your education, experience, or abilities away from you. Learn a new skill, improve your credit, start a business, read personal finance books, take online courses, attend networking events, learn sales, learn marketing, learn artificial intelligence. The more valuable your skills become, the more valuable you become in the marketplace. Someone making $40,000 a year isn't stuck there forever. Learning one high-income skill could double or even triple their income over time. The people who earn the most money are often the ones who solve the biggest problems. The more value you provide to others, the more opportunities you'll have to increase your income. Remember, your income usually follows your knowledge. Let's quickly review today's 3 money moves. Number 1, pay yourself first. Number 2, make your money work for you by buying income-producing assets. And number 3, invest in yourself because you are your greatest financial asset. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but making smart money moves consistently can completely transform your financial future over time. If you found value in today's video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about building wealth, improving your credit,